Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss fast mock test. Tripura GK for TCS, TPS, TPSC, GRBT and other competitive exam. Most important and suggested mock test paper, fast mock test. Which hill range in Tripura has the highest peak in the state? Jompoi Hill. Jompoi Hill is a highest peak. Jompoi Hill highest peak Battleship stand at 939 meter, making it at highest point in Tripura. Next, what is the length of Atharamura Hill range? Atharamura Hill range 106 km. The Atharamura Hill extends for a total length of 106 km. Yes. What is the height of Devatamura, the highest peak in the Devatamura hill range? 229 meter. Devatamura peak is 229 meter high, making it the highest point in hill range. Which peak is the highest in Atharamura hill range? Jurimura. Jurimura is the highest peak of the Atharamura hill with a height of 481 meter. What is the length of Jompoi Hill? 74 km. Jompoi Hill span a length of 74 kilometer in Tripura. Which hill is Tripura is known for the battling ship peak? Jompoi Hill. Battling ship, the highest peak in Tripura, is located in the Jompoi Hill range. Arrange the flowing hill in descending order of their highest peak height. Jompoi, Atharamura, Devatamura. Jompoi 399 meter, Atharamura 481 meter, Devatamura 229 meter. Which of the following hill range is the shortest in length? Jompoi Hill. Among the recent hill, Jompoi Hill is the shortest with a length of 74 km. In which hill range is the peak named Jurimura located? Atharamura Hill. Jurimura is the highest peak in the Atharamura Hill range. What is the total height difference between the highest peak of Jompoi and Devatamura Hill? 710. Jompoi 939, Devatamura 229 meter. That means different 710 meter high different. Which hill range has the highest peak among the three? Sakan Hill. Sakan Hill has the highest peak among the three with a height of 782 meter. What is the length of the Longtrai Hill range? 48 km. Longtrai Hill stood for a length of 48 km, which is the highest peak in the Longtrai Hill range. Phengpui. Phengpui is the highest point in the Longtrai Hill range with a height of 482 meter. What is the height of the highest peak in Boromura Hill? 269 meter. The highest peak in Boromura Hill is Boromura itself at 269 meter. Which of the following hill range is the longest? Sakan Hill. Among the three, Sakan Hill is the longest with a length of 58 km. Arrange the three hills ran in descending order of peak height. Sakan, Longtarai, Boromura. Sakan 782 meter, Phengpui in Longtarai 482 meter, Boromura 269 meter. Yes. What is the name of the highest peak in Sakan Hill Range? Sakan. The highest peak in the Sakan Hill Range is named after the hill itself, Sakan. Which hill range is the shortest in length? Boromura Hill. Boromura Hill is the shortest among the three with a length of 47 kilometers. What is the height of Phengpui Peak? Phengpui 482 meters. Phengpui, the highest peak of Longtrai Hill, has a length of 482 meters. What is the difference in height between Sakan and Boromura Peak? Sakan and Boromura 513 meter, Sakan 782 meter, Boromura 269 meter, 513 meter height difference. Which is the longest river among Monu, Huai, and Gomoti? River Monu. River Monu is the longest among the three with a length of 167 km. From which hill does River Huai originate? Longtrai Hill. River Kwai originates from Longtrai Hill. What is the point of origin of River Gomoti? River Gomoti Tirthamuk. River Gomoti origin at Tirthamuk from by the confluence of Raima and Sharma River. Which of the following river originates from Sakan Hill? Sakan Hill, River Monu. River Monu originates from Sakan Hill in Tripura. What is the length of River Kwai? River Kwai 166 km. River Kwai flow for a total length of 166 km. Which two rivers from River Gomoti at Tithomo? Raima and Sharma. River Gomoti is formed by the margin of Raima from Longtrai Hill and Sharma from Ataramura Hill. Which river follow the shortest distance among the three? River Gomoti. With a length of 133 km, River Gomoti is the shortest among the three mentioned rivers. The river that originates from Atharamura Hill is part of which largest river system? Gomoti. Gomoti River Sharma, one of the source river of Gomati, originates from Atharamura Hill. Which river is formed by tributary from Bud, Longtrai and Atharamura Hill? River Gomati. Raima and Sharma and Sharma from Atharamura join at Tithamuk to form the Gomati River. Match the river with correct origin. Gomati Tirthamuk. Only the third option, River Gomati, origin from Tirthamuk, formed by the Raima and Sharma river. What is the longest river among Diu, Dolai, and Longai? River Diu. River Diu is the longest among the three with a length of 132 km. From which hill does River Dolai originate? Atharamura Hill. River Dolai originates from Atharamura Hill. What is the length of River Longai? River Longai 98 km. River Longai flow from 98 km. Which two rivers originate from Jampoi Hill? Jampoi Hill, Diu and Longai. Both rivers Diu and Longai originate from Jampoi Hill. Which river among the three in the shortest in length? River Longai. Match the flowing river with their originate hill. Jampoi, Atharamura, Jampoi, Atharamura, Jampoi, Atharamura, Jampoi. Diu and Longai originate from Jampoi Hill. Dolai originate from Atharamura Hill. Which river has the length of 117 km? River Dolai. River Dolai has a total length of 117 km. Which river does not originate from Jampoi Hill? River Dolai. River Dolai originates from Atharamura Hill, not Jampoi Hill. Arrange the river descending order of their length. Due Dalai Longai. Due 132 km, Dalai 117 km, Longai 98 km. Which river originates from same hill as river Battleship, Tripura highest peak? River Dew. River Dew originates from Jampoi Hill, which also contains Battleship, Tripura highest peak, which is the longest river among Juri, Mohori, and Howrah. River Juri. River Juri is the longest among the three with a length of 79 km. From which hill does river Mohori originate? Devatamura. River Mohori originates from Devatamura hill. What is the length of river Howrah? River Howrah 53 km. River Howrah flow for a total length of 53 km. River Juri originates from which of the following hill? Jampoi Hill. River Juri has its origin in the Jampoi Hill region of Tripura. Which river originates from Bormura Hill? River Howrah. Bormura Hill is the source of river Howrah. Arrange the river descending order of their length. Juri, Mohori, Howrah. Juri is 79 km, Mohori is 64 km, Howrah 53 kilometer. Which is the shortest river among Juri, Mohori, and Howrah? River Howrah. With just 53 kilometers of length, river Howrah is the shortest among the three. Match the river with their originate hill. Bormura, Devatamura, Jampoi, Devatamura, Bormura. Juri originate from Jampoi Hill, Mohori from Devatamura Hill, and Howrah from Bormura Hill. Which river followed the second longest among the three? River Mohori. River Mohori is the second longest in this list with a length of 64 km. The hill that gives rise to the shortest river among the three, Bormura Hill. Bormura Hill is the originate for river Howrah, the shortest of three river 53 km. Which is the largest wildlife sanctuary in Tripura by area? Gomoti Wildlife Sanctuary. Gomoti Wildlife Sanctuary is the largest in Tripura, covering an area 389.54 square kilometer. What is the area of Rua Wildlife Sanctuary? 0.86 square kilometer. Rua Wildlife Sanctuary is the smallest in Tripura with an area of just 0.86 square kilometer. Which wildlife sanctuary is Tripura cover an area 13.45 square kilometer. Sipahi Jala Wildlife Sanctuary separate area 13.45 square kilometer. What is the total area Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary? 160.08 square kilometer. Trishna Wildlife Sanctuary span over 160.08 square kilometer located in southern part of Tripura. What is the highest Agartala from sea level? 12.80 meter. Agartala, the capital of Tripura, is situated at length of 12.80 meter above sea level. Which is the longest river in Tripura? Monu. The Monu River is the longest river in Tripura with a length of 167 km. Which is the second longest river in Tripura? Tripura Kwai is second longest river in Tripura. Kwai is the second longest river in Tripura, measuring 166 km, just 1 km shorter than the Monu River. On which river is the city Agartala situated? Howrah. The city of Agartala located on the bank of the Howrah River. What is the length of the river Mono? 167 km. The Mono River flows for a total length of 167 km, making it longest in Tripura. Which wildlife sanctuary in Tripura is known for both botanical and geological research activities. Sipahijola. Sipahijola Wildlife Sanctuary is known for its zoo, botanical garden, and research activities. What is the source of River Gomoti, Longtrai, and Atharamura range? Which is the highest peak in Tripura? Battling Ship. Located the Jampoi Hill. Battling Ship is the highest peak in Tripura, standing 399 meters. What is the highest peak in Tripura? 3939 meter. The highest peak in Tripura, Battling Ship, reached a highest of 99 meter. What is the aerial distance between Agartala and Calcutta? 315 kilometer. The aerial straight line distance between Agartala and Calcutta approximately 315 kilometer. What is the total length of Tripura state? 180.5 kilometer. Tripura has a maximum length of 180.5 kilometer extending north to south. What is the maximum breadth of Tripura? 112.7 kilometer. Tripura with each west stretch measure 112.7 kilometer. What is the total area of Tripura? 10491.69 square kilometer. 10491.69 square kilometer. Tripura cover a total area of 1049169 square kilometer. What is the altitude of Agartala from sea level? 12.80 meter. The capital city Agartala is situated at an altitude of 12.80 meter above sea level. What is the latitude range of Tripura? 12 degree 56 minute north to 24 degree 32 minute north. Tripura lies between the latitude 22 degree 56 minute north and 24 degree 32 minute north, placing in its northern region of India. What is the longitude extent of Tripura? 91 degree 09 minute each to 92 degree 20 minute each. Tripura state longitude for 91 degree 09 minute each to 92 degree 20 minute each. What is the total length of Tripura international border with Bangladesh? 856 kilometer. 856 kilometer. Tripura share an international border of 856 kilometer with Bangladesh, walking on one of Indian state with the longest border with that country. Which Indian state share the longest border with Tripura after Bangladesh? Mizoram. After Bangladesh, Mizoram share the longest border with Tripura, measuring 109 km. What is the length of Tripura border with Assam? 53 km. Tripura share 53 km long border with India state of Assam. How many districts are there in Tripura? 8 districts. Tripura has total 8 districts, including West Tripura, South Tripura, North Tripura, Tolai, Sipaijala, Kwai, Gomoti, Unokoti, total 8 districts. Which district was created in 1995 in Tripura? Tolai district. Tolai district was formed in 1995, becoming the fourth district of Tripura. Which of the following districts were formed in 2020 in Tripura? 2012 in Tripura. Khowai, Gomoti, Sipaijala, Unokoti. These 4 districts were carved out 2012 to improve administration efficiency. One were the original 3 districts, West, South, and North Tripura formed 1970. 1970, West Tripura, South Tripura, North Tripura were among the original district, all formed in 1970. How many subdivisions are there in Tripura? 23. There are 23 subdivisions in Tripura serving administrative until within the district. What is the number of community development block in Tripura? 58. Tripura is divided into 58 development blocks that help in rural planning and implementation. How many autonomous district council are there in Tripura? 1. Tripura has one autonomous district council known as the Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council TTRDC, established to govern tribal region with special power. When did Tripura officially acceded to the Indian Union? 15 October 1949. Tripura was a princely state and official merger with the Indian Union on 15 October 1949. When did Tripura become a union territory of India? 1st November 1956. 1st November 1956. Tripura became a union territory on 1st November 1956 after India State Reorganization Act. When did Tripura attain full statehood? Full statehood 21st January 1972. Tripura became full-fledged state of India on 21st January 1972. What was Tripura before joining the Indian Union? Princely state. Before it accession to India, Tripura was a princely state ruled by the Manikka dynasty. What is the capital and largest city of Tripura? Agartala. Agartala is both the capital and largest city of Tripura. How many districts does Tripura have? We know, repeat the question, 8. Tripura divided into 8 administrative district. Yes. What kind of legislator does Tripura have? Unicameral. Tripura has a unicameral legislature, meaning it has only one legislative house, the State Assembly. How many seats are there in Tripura Legislative Assembly? 60. The Tripura Legislative Assembly consists of 6 elected members. How many Lok Sabha seats are located in Tripura? 2. Tripura has 2 in Lok Sabha, a lower house of Indian Parliament. How many Rajya Sabha seats are there in from Tripura? 1. Tripura sent one member to the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Indian Parliament. When is Tripura Foundation Day celebrated? 21st January. Tripura became full-fledged state on 21st January 1972, which is observed of Tripura Day. What is the state bird of Tripura? Green Imperial Pigeon. The Green Imperial Pigeon is recognized as the state bird of Tripura. Which is the state fish of Tripura? Padda. The Padda fish is considered the state fish of Tripura, known for its state and local popularity. Which flower is recognized as the state flower in Tripura? Indian rose chestnut. The Indian rose chestnut is the state flower known for its pleasant fragrance of beautiful appearance. Which fruit is declared the state fruit? Tripura, queen pineapple. Tripura is known for producing the queen variety of pineapple, which is the state fruit due to its sweetness and export quality. Who is the current Chief Minister of Tripura 2025? Manik Shah. Dr. Manik Shah is the current Chief Minister of Tripura since 2022 2025. What is the Governor of Tripura as 2025? Indra Sena Reddy. Indra Sena Reddy was appointed as the Governor of Tripura. What is the state mammal of Tripura? State mammal Periyar lip monkey. Periyar lip monkey and endangered species found in forest of Tripura is the state animal. What is the state tree of Tripura? Agarod. Tripura is famous for agarod, which is state tree known for producing aromatic resin. What is the governing body of the state of Tripura called Government of Tripura? Thank you. Next day, I will discuss second mock test. It is first mock test for any competitive exam. Most important and suggested for any competitive exam. I request to you all share the video and subscribe, click bell icon to get the notification and most important for any competitive. Thank you.